Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godolkar. In last video lecture we see the GSM architecture. In GSM architecture we see the base station subsystem. First part, mobile station connected to the base station subsystem. In base station subsystem, it consists of a base transceiver station BTS and base station controller BSC. So we see the firstly we see the in base station subsystem. First is base transceiver station BTS. How BTS works? Encodes, encrypts, multiplexes, modulates and feeds the RF signals to the antenna. Communicates with mobile station and BSC. Consists of transceivers TRX unit. The base station controller BSC manages radio resources for BTS, assigns frequency and time slots for all MS in its area, handles call setup and over for each MS. It communicates with MSC and BTS. After that base station subsystem, the next is system architecture, network switching subsystem NSS. The system contains the following functional unit. First is mobile switching center MSC, home location register HLR, visitor location register VLR, authentication center AUC, equipment identity register EIR. The mobile switching center MSC consists of heart of the network. MSC is the heart of the network, manages communication between GSM and other networks, billing information and collection, mobility management, registration, location updating, inter-BSS and inter-MSC call handoff. The next is home location register, stores information about each subscriber that belongs to each MSC in permanent and temporary fashion. As soon as mobile subscriber leaves its current local area, the information in the HLR the mobile switching center billing information and collection, mobility management, registration, location updating, inter-BSS and inter-MSC call handoff. The home location register HLR stores information about each subscriber that belongs to each MSC in permanent and temporary fashion. As soon as mobile subscriber leaves its current local area, the information in the HLR is updated. Database contains IMSI, MSIS, DN, prepaid, postpaid, roaming, restriction, supplementary services. In visitor location register VLR, the temporary database which updates whenever new MS enters its area by HLR database, assigns a TMSI to each MS entering the VLR area which keeps on changing, controls those mobile roaming in its area. Database contains IMSI, MSIS, DN, location area, authentication key. Authentication center contains the algorithms for authentication as well as the keys for encryption, protects network operators from fraud, situated in special protected part of the HLR. The Equipment Identity Register EIR stores all devices identifications registered for this network. Database that is used to track handset using the IMEI International Mobile Equipment Identity, prevents calls from stolen, unauthorized or defective mobile devices. The Operation and Maintenance Center, the centralized operation of the various units in the system and functions needed to maintain the subsystems. Dynamic monitoring and controlling of the network. Functions: configuration management, fault report and alarm handling, performance supervisions or management, storage of the system, software and data. The security in GSM is on air interface. GSM uses encryption and TMSI instead of IMSI. SIM is provided 4 to 8 digit PIN to validate the ownership of SIM. 3 algorithms are specified: A3 algorithm for authentication, A5 algorithm for encryption, A8 algorithm for key generation. The characteristics of GSM standard: fully digital system using 900-1800 MHz frequency band, user or terminal authentication for fraud control, full international roaming capability, low speed data services up to 9.6 kbps, compatibility with ISDN, support of short message service SMS. The next is advantages of GSM over analog system: reduced RF transmission power and longer battery life, international roaming capability, better security against fraud through terminal validation and user authentication, encryption capability for information security and privacy. The applications of GSM are mobile telephony, GSM are telemetry system, fleet management, automatic meter reading, toll collection, remote control and fault reporting of DG sets, value added services. The features of GSM is second generation GSM 9.6 kbps data rate, 2.5 generation. Feature of GSM is HSCSD, high speed circuit switch data, GPRS, general packet radio service. Data rate is 14.411 15.2 kbps. Age enhanced data rate for GSM evolution. Data is 547.2 kbps. Third generation WCDMA, wideband CDMA. Data rate is 0.348 to 2.0 Mbps. These are the features of GSM for second generation, 2.5 generation and third generation. Before we see these are the different applications of GSM: mobile telephony, telemetry, in remote control system, value added services. These are the common applications of GSM. Thank you.